Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's Hannah and Brooke. Today we're going to be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge.
So if y'all don't know what that is, it's basically like you have spit cups, for spitting out the marshmallows. But you have a bowl full of marshmallows, and you shove them in your mouth.
Shove them in your mouth.
And every time you shove one in your mouth, you have to say "Chubby Bunny," no chewing. All right, let's get started.
But think about it, you have to see who has the most. So
Yeah, so
I
Go.
guess we can say get started.
Yep.
Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. I can't do no more. Hey, no, you're done. I do one more. Oh, do you think? I think
I'm
you have more.
eating these. I don't care. Hey, cheater. All right, so now we're gonna count. Oh my god, that was so funny.
Oh my god.
We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marshmallows left.
Okay, so let's see how many we ate.
1.
We have to stuff them back in our mouth.
No.
1.
I'm at 1. Oh my god, this is so good. 2.
Huh? How did we get 2 already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7.
Not 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
I got 7. Okay, guys, so that was a tie.
Next round.
I don't know what to do now. I mean, like,
Now we're gonna have a little competition.
We are gonna.
So you can count the most Shopkins.
huh? More Chubby Bunny.
No, not more Chubby Bunny. This one doesn't get my mouth at all.
Y'all don't put all it in the floor and stuff, 'cause that cat been spraying everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta get rid of that cat. You need to take that damn cat, take it outside and play with it. Leave it outside.
I got 13. I'm the winner. I cheated.
Oh my god. So the cat sprayed. So I shouldn't have.
That nasty cat, it's going in the morning. Brooke gotta get up in the morning and feed it.
Okay, so guys, since we had a tie,
Tiebreaker.
yeah, I don't know what else to do.
Who can do the best tricks on the trampoline? I mean, it's almost fall outside because the air smells different. You know that, right?
Y'all come outside with us? I hope y'all do. Come on, guys. Okay, come on, Hannah. I mean, we're just gonna go on the trampoline.
Bro, can I get a Coke?
Not more crazy.
I just saw your dad with one.
Probably because he bought one. I mean, let's just go on the trampoline right now.
Yeah, because today's gonna be a fun
Have
day.
some
Come on.
fun.
Should we just have a fun day of fun?
Y'all want to see
So-
the sky? Yay! Look at the sun, guys.
We're doing we're not just doing the Chubby Bunny challenge. We're gonna show you our fun day together.
Oh no, a lot more time. No.
Let's go back in. Yeah, so I guess we can go on the front porch and have fun.
Well, let's just go ahead and go in there. Let's just go somewhere else. Come on.
Let's go swing on the swings.
Yeah, and y'all can come with
have
us.
some fun.
Yeah, we just want to have some fun.
Let's sell popsicles. Speaking of popsicles.
Pop,
First time I came over here, I rode on one of these and I fell off.
Okay. Okay, you don't need to talk about it. Ooh, you want to play in the sand with us?
Ooh, yeah, let's play in the sand, guys.
I don't want to play in the sand.
This is where
Hot. It's so deep. I don't want to. Y'all want to see me, guys? Can't turn the camera up though. Side. Okay. Oof, out. I don't know where these stamps on. Okay, here's I go.
Take this watch off because if I did it. You can ask your dad after he cuts the grass. Can you get frozen yogurt?
I mean, like, you know.
And maybe y'all can come get frozen yogurt.
Yeah, maybe y'all can come get frozen yogurt with
Oh my
us.
God, that would be a good vote.
That would be awesome. I mean, like.
Let's show you like what frozen yogurt place we go to.
Yeah. I mean, what's the point of not showing y'all where we go for our frozen yogurt? Oh, just look at that silly girl, Hannah. Look at that silly girl, Hannah. Put it in your brain. Oh God, you did?
It's okay, it rains.
Yeah, my Hannah just dropped water everywhere. You want to come with us to play in the sand?
Let's play in the sand. Let's make sand buddy.
Sand buddy. Sand buddy. Ow, what was that? What was that? Oh, water.
Tell me that you love me.
Yeah,
Tell me that you take my breath away. Follow me on Musically, Hannah Lee Perkins 24.
Book 7. Show Rivers. That's it. Show Rivers. That's it. Show Rivers. That's it. Don't put that's it. I just said that for some reason. Sand bomb. Just hooked out my pants. Ooh, I'm swinging. I'm swinging. I'm swinging. Ooh. 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 I'm back. I mean, I don't know what to do. I just set y'all's right here for when I go really high and I want y'all to see. Okay, there we go.
Ooh.
Just swinging.
It finally worked. Just keep swinging. Just keep swinging. Knock over the phone. Keep swinging. Just keep swinging. Ooh.
Yeah.
Tell me that you take my
Breath away.
Tell me that you love me.
You get on trampoline now, Hannah?
No. Please.
Okay, let's go to the trampoline.
No, wait.
I ain't gonna stay unless you have wet sand. I ain't gonna stay unless you have wet sand. Let's hurry up and get on the trampoline before my dad starts the live work. I know, come on, let's go. YouTube videos.
Ooh.
Told ya, it ain't gonna stay.
Mr. Rebels, your daughter kicked on my sandcastle.
She's playing.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Sand all over everybody.
I'm not, Dad,
Don't
stop.
kick on my sandcastle.
See, she's being funny.
No, I'm not. You really kicked on my sandcastle, seriously.
I know. That's the funny part about it.
Hello, person.
Yeah, hello,
You come play in the sand with
person.
us? No. What do you mean?
Mm. Okay, so I'm still like trying to do something. Don't know what to do. Use.
Don't have a phone out there in that sand, Brooke.
Okay.
You'll burn it.
Okay.
Brooke, why don't you put the phone up while you're out there in the sand?
I'm not playing in the sand.
Me is.
I
I
can't hear.
cannot afford another phone, Brooke.
You just want to go say goodbye since you have nothing to do?
Brooke, seriously.
I'm not. I'm trying to fix it.
Goodbye. We'll catch you. We'll make another video when we have when we do something else fun.
Okay, yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys.
Chubby Bunny. Remember, y'all do the Chubby Bunny challenge.
Yeah, we all did the Chubby Bunny challenge. But so, guys, bye, guys. Bye.